So the first thing we want to do is we want to start thinking about, well, what do I want to manifest? I've heard about these manifesting skills. What exactly are they? Well, manifesting skills are absolutely accessible to everyone. We all are manifesting all of the time. In fact, what we think about is creating our reality. How is that so? Well, have you ever noticed that when you think about something, even say you want to get a different car, you start thinking about what car you want, and then you start seeing that car everywhere. The same laws apply to pretty much everything. So, whether you're interested in having more growth for your team, whether it be getting funding for your nonprofit, whether it be to secure 3 to 5 new clients in the new year, whatever it might be, it could absolutely apply to all things personal as well. If you want a better body, if you want a better relationship, if you want a better home, if you want a better career or job, everything you're going to learn in the Manifest Off challenge applies. Now, the only difference is we are going to be focusing on people who want to apply manifesting skills to work because that's the kind of coaching that I do and that's the space that I'm most comfortable in. So I am going to do this with you. And my goals are to fill 3 open client seats that I have starting January 1st. And it looks like potentially I might already have one. So that might go to 2, which is great. We may have a different number before we start, but start thinking about what does that perfect day look like for me when I think about work? What do I want to feel like? What meetings do I like? What projects do I like? What am I doing that brings me the greatest joy? That is the essence of manifesting. Now, of course, we can manifest all things positive and we can also manifest all things negative. All things apply because what we're thinking about then materializes into form. If you have any interest on this, there are so many wonderful speakers out there who are spending daily uh, daily updates, daily channeling messages, daily affirmations. And we are going to be doing that starting January 1st. So join us. You can sign up by clicking the link below and join us and let's start getting our mindset ready. That's the first step, is our manifesting mindset. So I just hung up with a client who we started 5 years ago. And she said to me, even after just working together a very short time, she was able to secure funding for her nonprofit. Now we're setting some bigger goals, but we just focused on the companies, the partners, the people, the donors that really, really value her outdoor education nonprofit company here in Colorado. I'm not going to share more because I'm going to let her share her story. But she said that even after one session of figuring out who would benefit, what partners, what products, what companies would benefit from her nonprofit, she has now had relationships with each of those outdoor companies. It works every time. We just have to work it every day. So with that, your first exercise is starting with your perfect day. How do you want to feel? How do you want to interact with people? How do you want to be supported? And then let's create that. We've got a 14-day challenge coming up. More details below.